During your busy day at school, you are running and playing on the playground and learning in the classroom.
You need sleep so you can rest, right?
Wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, you are hard at work when you are sleeping. Your body needs to sleep to allow your bones, muscles, and skin time to grow and repair and stay healthy. Your brain needs sleep so you can learn, concentrate, and be creative.
The National Sleep Foundation says
kids from ages 5 to 10 years old need about 10 to 11 hours of sleep a night.
Kids 10 and up need about 9 hours of sleep.
New facts suggest that how much you sleep could affect how much you weigh. Researchers have found that sleep may affect your body's blood sugar levels and your ability to lose weight.
Another study found that with each extra hour of sleep you get, your risk of childhood obesity drops about 9%.
Here are some sleep tips from the Empower Me to Be movement.
Get some Z's.
Plenty of Z's. While you're sleeping, your body grows and recovers from your day's activity. If you don't give your body enough time to recover, it can catch up with you over time.
Sleep equals energy!
Sleep gives you energy like food does, so you can last through the day.
Get 9 hours.
Get at least 9 hours of sleep every night.
Ease into more sleep.
To increase your sleep time successfully, add about 15 minutes every night until you're up to about 9 to 10 hours of sleep a night. Then compare how your body feels when you have enough sleep and when you don't.
Recharge.
Sleep to give yourself an extra boost of energy and to keep from overeating. Your appetite, amounts of energy, and ability to maintain a healthy weight are directly affected by getting enough sleep.